Once this is fully stirred up like this, you can put it to one side and let the fermentation start to take place. Ooh, let's pop it there. So it's still going to feel, it might still feel a bit claggy at the bottom, but that's okay. We're going to keep stirring that as we go. The bubbles are going to start forming on the top, which shows the fermentation is beginning, okay? So I'm going to put this over here, and I have one that I mixed up a few hours ago so that you can see how it will divide. So as you can see, the slack lime sediment is at the bottom, and then you've got the stock solution has now changed colour, so a bit like a sunset. And on the top, you can see the fermented bubbles. So you can see it's completely changed. So here's the contrast. So this is the when it first gets mixed up, and this is when it's ready to be added to the water for your vat.